Let's go outside. Let's go. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, sir. Could you tell me something about this area?
Yeah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, I am owner of this land and this waterfall also. This waterfall is popular for photos and videos. It's called a photogenic waterfall and named Hussainabad waterfall.
Guys, you are thinking that only we are in here tourists, but here's no. There in there here we are not only here, but there are more tourists. I think thousands of people come here in one day, and there's also the flag of Pakistan. And the trees, natural thing, I so much like that. First, they are the big trees. They cut a small piece and put it into water. They do not plant it, but they grow. I don't know how they grow. Yes.
Look, there's a Pakistani flag.
Yes.
I like this beautiful area.
So which season is this picture captured? Summer, spring, autumn.
It's summer picture.
Summer picture. This season.
Yeah, this season.
Okay.
And this is Masur Walk.
Who is here?
My brother.
Oh, your brother?
Yeah, more than 70 times he climbed here.
Come here. Look at the picture.
He is in the founder of this Masur Rock team, including this
Wow.
team.
So nice.
So there also you look here from all city
Yes,
of
there is Indus River also.
Yeah, yeah.
Look there. Indus River and the mountain.
mountains of the Karakoram range of mountains. View and
Okay,
also
sir.
Kurdistan.
Could you tell me something about the Master Rock?
Yeah, Masur Rock is a world famous rock. Basically, it looks like a Trotanga rock in Norway. The route is from here only 25 minutes drive from here to you reach our Nala, Hussainabad Nala. Then almost 3 to 4 hours trekking to reach Masur Rock. Masur Rock is about this height is 12,327 feet from sea level.
Okay, in this area we are in Himalaya range.
Yeah.
Husnabat waterfall small. Could you tell me how many hotels are there? It's the first hotel we want.
No, there is basically the two popular hotel. One is located in our Hussainabad Nala. That is Bok Resort. Second one is this Hussainabad Waterfall restaurant. There you can enjoy trout fish, snacks, our desi local foods, etc. There is.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Hope you see you again. Hello, guys. You know that now we are in the Husnabat waterfall. So let's go. Come with me. I will show the picture.
Three.
Look at guys. It is very small letter. I am climbing from there. And let's go. Very big rocks here. But I am finally now here. Hello guys, I was thinking that there was only small place, but now look at this. This is a beautiful place of northern side of Skardu. You want to come here, and it is in Husnabat. Very beautiful. You can see that water, rock, a greenness of water, and here is so nice. That's why I'm speaking loudly. Look at my clothes are dying because it's looking like raining. So we are going outside. See you now. So guys, thank you for watching my video.